you know that there is a way to share information with colleagues through MS Teams that's not your out of office? Let me share the option that I'm talking about, status message, in this video. Hi, I'm Michelle, a computer coach here sharing tips and tricks on your everyday software to make life that little bit easier. There are times that you need to make people aware of what you're doing so that hopefully they don't interrupt your day or your task. This is where the status message in Teams is designed to help. Now, the one thing I can't promise is that they will read your message or actually take action or non-action from your message. My personal experience is they're more likely to ignore it and still send you stuff anyway, but you have at least tried. So with Microsoft Teams running, we're looking in the top right corner of the screen and you're looking for your name and the account details. As you click on there, we've got all the standard options, but you'll notice that we've then got the option Set Status Message. Click on there, you then get space to type in your message. Now, as a quick aside, if you have set up your out of office, this is actually where it's going to be displayed automatically. So this won't overwrite an active out of office. We can then type the message in. I'm focusing a project. I'll answer messages later today. So whatever message you need to share. A couple of things to note. As you look down, we've got show when people message me. In terms of my example, this is a yes, please switch that on, as people either create a new chat with you or click into an existing chat. This will pop up as an info bar automatically. If they are in a channel, this will only appear if they @message you to be specific. The next option down can be really useful so that you don't have to remember to remove this. The default, as you can see, is never, but as you hover over or click, there are a number of different options that you have available to you. So let's choose, for this example, 1 hour, and I can click done. That now displays in my account details. I've got an information line, which is reminding me that I have a status message displayed. I can now minimize this down or work on the project that I mentioned, and in an hour, it will automatically be removed. If I take more than an hour, I will need to remember to come back in and switch it back on. So it won't delete the message, it'll just switch it off so that it's not displayed. When you're done, if you want, you can come back into the account details. As I hover over the status message, I've got the option to edit it with the pencil, or if I no longer need it, I can choose to delete it, returning me back to my standard option. That can be useful if you are working, but you need to make people aware that you're not going to be immediately available to assist them or anything without having to set up an out of office message. The other thing to note is this won't appear in Outlook. This is Teams only. Click on the like button for the video to let others know that this has been helpful. And remember to subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell to be told as videos with more tips and tricks are released. I'll see you next time.